Hi friends, now we have to discuss about the BCom first semester financial accounting one subject. Unit number 1 general entries problem. Problem number 7 generalize the following transactions in the books of Shubham. 2024 January 1st commenced business with cash rupees 1 lakh, building value rupees 5 lakhs and stock rupees 40,000. 2024 January deposited into bank rupees 75,000. 2024 January 4th sold household furniture for rupees 10,000 and invested the money into the business. 2024 January 8th withdrawn cash rupees 5,000, goods cost rupees 6,000, selling price 7,500 from business for personal use. 2024 January 9th paid life insurance premium rupees 10,000, income tax rupees 9,000 and for bicycle for son rupees 5,000. 2024 January 12th, pay rent 6,000 by check. Number 3, half of the building is used for residential purpose of the proprietor. 2024 January 16th, charge rupees 10,000 interest on capital and provide interest on drawings rupees 500. 2024 January 20 received refund rupees of income tax rupees 1200. Okay friends, so before going to answer the question, I am requesting you kindly subscribe my channel, press on bell button, give some likes. It will makes me a lot of encouragement to do further videos. Now, friends, come to the top answer. First, write the title of the problem: General entries in the books of Shubham. Okay. Next, draw the account, which consists of 5 columns. First column date column, second column particulars column, third column ledger folio, fourth column debit amount column, fifth column credit amount column. Okay, first transaction is 2024 January commenced business with cash rupees 1 lakh, building value rupees 5 lakhs and stock rupees 40,000. So in this transaction, we are having the cash account, building account and stock account. So cash account, building account, stock account, both are the real accounts which are coming into the business. That's why we are debiting it. Capital accounting is the personal account which gives the investment to the business. That's why we are crediting it. First, write the date 2024 January first in the date column. Then come to the entry cash account data 1 lakh, building account data 5 lakhs, stock account data 40,000 to capital account 6 lakh 40,000. Narration is being capital invested in the business. Next, come to the second transaction 2024 January 2nd deposit into bank 75,000. So in this transaction, bank account and cash account are there. Bank account is the personal account. Being the receiver, we have to debit it. And cash account is the real account, which is the asset which is going out to the business. That's why we are crediting it. So first write date 2024 January 2nd bank account. Next bank account is the personal account. That's why we have to debit it. Cash account is the real account. We have to credit it. So write the entry bank account data are 75,000 to cash account, rupees 70,000 being cash deposit to bank. Okay, next to come to the third entry sold household furniture for rupees 10,000 and invested the money into the business. So here the furniture belongs to property what I am assuming that is sold and the same amount is invested into the money. So here the Shubham is investing additional 10,000 amount of capital into the business by selling his old household furniture. That's why I am treating this entry cash account data are 10,000 to capital account 10,000 being cash invested into the business by selling household furniture. Okay. Next, on 2028, 24 January 8th, withdrawn cash rupees 5,000, goods cost to 6,000, selling price 7,000 from business for personal use. So here, Shubham is drawing amount of rupees 11,000 because cash 5,000 and purchase of goods goods are 6,000. So we have to enter the transaction. Okay. So first write the date column. In the date column 2024 January 8th, then drawing account data 11,000. It is the personal account. We have to debit it. To cash account to 5,000, to purchase account 6,000. So entry is drawing account data 11,000, to cash account to 5,000, to drawing purchase account 6,000. Being cash and goods withdrawn from business for personal use. Next on January 9th, 2024, paid life insurance premium rupees 10,000, income tax 9,000, and for bicycle for son 5,000. So in this transaction, rent, sorry, life insurance premium 10,000 and income tax 9,000, bicycle. These are treated the personal expense of the Shubham. That's why I am writing drawings account data 2004, sorry, 24,000 to cash account 24,000. Being paid life insurance and tax and purchasing a bicycle for proprietors. Okay. The entries dance account data 24,000 to cash account to being paid life insurance tax and purchased bicycle for proprietors. Okay. Next, January 12th, 2024, paid rent to 6,000 by check number 3. Half of the building is used for residential purpose of the proprietor. So here the rent is paid, it is the expense, and among the two expense, half of the building is used for proprietor residential purpose. That's why we have to debit half of the amount 3,000 for rent account and remaining 3,000 is drawings account. Okay. So first write the date to 2024 January 12th, the date column. Next to rent account data 3,000, drawings account data 3,000 to cash account 6,000. Okay. Next to on January 16th, cash charges 10,000 interest on capital and provide interest on drawings 10,000. Okay. So here we have to make the two entries for this transaction. First one is interest on capital. So interest on capital account and capital account both are account is the interest on capital is nominal account. It is the expense to the business and capital account is the personal account is the giver. Okay. So on 2000 January 16th, interest on capital account data 10,000 to capital account 10,000 being interest paid on capital. Okay. Next on the same date we have to write another entry for drawings interest on drawings. Okay. So write the date 2024 January 16th. Drawings account 500 to interest on drawings account 500 being received interest on drawings. So the Shubham is paying the interest on drawing. Okay, that's why it is the income source to the business. That's why we are entering the drawings account data 500 to interest on drawing account 500. The rest is being received interest on capital on drawings. Okay, then last but not least, received refund of income tax. So it is the income source. So the cash is received. That's why we are debiting it to cash account at R 1200 to Rank's account rupees 1200 being received income tax refund. Okay, thanks you friend. Okay, thank you one and all.